Arteries are blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood away from the heart and towards the body's tissues. They have thick muscular walls that can withstand high blood pressure, and are responsible for pumping blood to all parts of the body. The main parts of an artery include lumen, the hollow center of the artery through which blood flows; tunica intima, the innermost layer of the artery, which is composed of a single layer of endothelial cells and a thin layer of connective tissue; tunica media, the middle layer of the artery, which is composed of smooth muscle cells and elastic fibers. This layer provides the strength and elasticity needed to pump blood throughout the body. Tunica adventitia, the outermost layer of the artery, which is composed of connective tissue and provides structural support to the vessel. Vasa vasorum, the small blood vessels that supply the walls of large arteries with blood and nutrients. Arteries are responsible for carrying oxygen-rich blood to all parts of the body, delivering vital nutrients and oxygen to the cells, and helping to maintain normal blood pressure. Arterial diseases such as atherosclerosis, hypertension, and aneurysms can occur due to a variety of reasons such as genetic predisposition, lifestyle factors, and advanced age.